Actress Parvati Tiruvod has said that there are people in the film industry who are associated with sex racket. The actress said she did not disclose many things because she feared for her life. The Hema Commission report cites a number of issues related to sex racket. She said the report was not released because it contained the names of several industry luminaries. I have given a statement to the Hema Commission on various issues related to the sex racket in the Malayalam film industry. These statements also refer to many prominent personalities in the industry. There is only one answer to those who ask why all this cannot be revealed. Because of the fearful life, threats were made through phone calls frequently. Earning a living is not allowed here. There are facilitators everywhere within the industry, including sex rackets. All these matters have been explained in detail to the Hema Commission, Parvati clarified. Parvati said she is disappointed and angry that the Hema Commission report was not released. The reason the Hema Commission report was not released is not because the name of the person who gave the statement was inside it, but because the name of the person against whom the statement was given should not be released, she said. Parvati said she finds it a lame reason not to release the report to conceal the names of those who testified in the report. The Justice Hema Commission was set up to study the atrocities committed against women in Malayalam cinema. But it is frustrating and annoying to say that the committee formed 4 years ago took 2 years to prepare the report and that the report will not be released in the end. When things are like this, justice does not seem to be destined for women, Parvati said. The actress on Saturday had took to her Twitter handle to express her discontent over the known availability of the Hema Commission report for 2 years after it was submitted to Chief Minister of Kerala. Justice Hema and her fellow committee members were all sympathies and tears when I sat in front of them and recounted my experiences, she tweeted. It has been 2 years since the Justice Hema Committee, appointed by the state government to study the various issues faced by women in the film industry, submitted its report to the government. Now, actress Parvati Tiruvod has come up criticizing the government for not taking follow-up action on the report. The actress made the criticism by sharing the Facebook post of Women in Cinema Collective regarding the issue. The Justice Hema Commission was appointed by the government in 2017 on the basis of the complaint lodged by the WCC to study the gender inequality and other issues faced by women in the Malayalam film industry upon their demand. It was the first time in the country a committee was appointed to study the issues of women in cinema. The report was prepared by 3 members of the committee, including retired Justice K. Hema, former bureaucrat KB Valsalakumari IAS, and yesteryear actress Sharada. News Desk, Comedy Global.